So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 9 high-paying work-from-home jobs you can do from home. So number 1 is bookkeeping. If we go to Upwork and then we are going to search bookkeeper, you will be able to earn $50 an hour, $45 an hour, $100 an hour, you know, and then she's already earned 50,000 on Upwork, and maybe she has a retainer of Upwork, who knows, right? So if you wanted to make money at home, I think become a bookkeeper or an accountant, it's definitely something that you should definitely look into. Look at this guy, he's from Philippines. He's in Philippines and he's only making $6 an hour and he's already made 10,000. Imagine if you can charge like what, $35, and then, you know, you can definitely make more than 10,000. And then second high-paying work-from-home job is transcribing videos. I make a lot of videos and I publish them on YouTube and some on Bilibili as well, and I do need help transcribing my videos into articles because you can see right now I'm not very good at typing at the moment. So let's say if I wanted someone to transcribe my videos into an article like this one, 9 high-paying jobs that you can work from home. Transcribing video. Okay, transcriptionist in Philippines, only $5. Ooh, I have been transcribing audios and videos for more than 8 years now. Now, this is someone from the Philippines, so obviously they're gonna charge less because the cost of living is much less than in Philippines than in the US, and they're not native English speaker, right? So if you are in school or if you are, you know, native English speakers, you can definitely charge more, maybe 20 or 25 or $35 an hour for transcribing videos. You can also be on Fiverr. Transcribing videos, how much would you be able to make if you help transcribing videos? So transcribing videos starts from $5 and then goes on to $20. You know, I will transcribe any audio or video file for you. You can do that as well, right? Typing, listening to what this person is saying, and then typing transcription of any file, 20 minutes or less for $20. And basically it's 40 files of less, and then you'll be paid $30. So if you transcribe 1 hour, 45 minutes, and you get $65. That's pretty good. I want to do that as well. Wow. Yeah, so this one I think definitely pretty easy, and you should definitely try this out. This is pretty good. The next one is proofreading. Proofreading. You want to see how much you can charge? Go to Upwork.com. Whoa, this person charged up to $75 per hour for proofreading, and he's already earned more than $50,000. Writer, editor, and proofreader. Proofreading Canada. Like for example, I'm not native English speaker, so when I write articles or when I'm writing some content, it's preferably for me to hire someone who's able to do proofreading for my content. You can have profile on both Fiverr and Upwork, depends on, you know, how you want to do it. And then see, look, this one, she just looked like a normal person, you know. She has this photo, she looks great, and then she do proofreading up to 1,500 words, grammar and spelling, and she would charge $45. And she also have 2 orders in queue. That means she have orders lined up for her to finish, right? Number 4, it's website testing. Now, this one's pretty interesting. You can actually test other people's website or apps and then make money. There are 2 websites that I know, Respondent and usertesting.com. The rate, I think, is from $40 per 30 minutes to $150 for 60 minutes if you join their focus group. But you can also just do simple testing. You can test the speed, user experience. It only costs you 30 minutes to make $40. Why not, right? So I think this is a pretty good one. And number 5 is become a virtual assistant. I had a Filipino virtual assistant before. Charmaine, she's amazing. She managed my website. She helped me to write some articles, and then I'll do the proofread after. And she helped me to manage my inbox, respond to some of my emails. She's amazing, and I pay her I think $6 an hour. And if you are from the US or Canada, you can definitely charge more. So virtual assistant, if we go to Upwork, let's see how much you can make if you join as a virtual assistant. $35 an hour. She's from United States. She's from Philippines. And then she also makes $25 an hour. And she's already made $40,000 on Upwork. $35 an hour. $60 an hour. Wow. $30 an hour. The next one is editing videos. I definitely paid some money for hiring people to edit my videos on YouTube. So I can tell you there is definitely demand. So how much can you make editing videos? This guy in Turkey charged $80 an hour. And she's from the US, and then she charged $45 an hour. If you go to Fiverr, TikTok video editing. See, I will edit your TikTok videos and Instagram reels. And she's starting from $35. Professional TikTok editing, edit TikTok video, reels, or story professionally, starting from $5. A lot of video editors is available on your phone as well. You can make money on your phone just like that. See, look at this one. Basic TikTok editing. Text on screen, basic clip edit, 30 to 60-second video. And then he only offers 3 days delivery. It's not even like 24-hour delivery, okay? He doesn't do color grading, doesn't do motion graphic, doesn't do subtitles. He would do text. And then he charged $35. How crazy is that? So let's see what kind of video he provided. That was it. That's pretty much it. So I think this is pretty cool. You can definitely do it if you know how to use a phone, and if you are already editing your own video on TikTok and post it on your TikTok account, then why not make more money from doing that for other people, right? Okay. And then number 7, start your own YouTube channel. That's what I'm doing right now. There's several ways to monetize the YouTube channel. One, of course, is through YouTube AdSense. But in order to do that, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And that would take a while before you get there. The second way to monetize your YouTube channel is to do unboxing videos or review videos about the products that you use. And then you can monetize it by putting the affiliate link to the product in the video descriptions. And I have another video talking about 12 websites that you can join the affiliate partner program in order to make commissions on that. And number 8 is thumbnails. Actually, it is an art to make an eye-catching, attention-grabbing thumbnail. So if we go to Fiverr and we typed in YouTube thumbnail, I will design amazing YouTube thumbnail in 1 day, starting from $10. So if you know basic graphic design, you can just make money. With this, you don't really need a super expert Photoshop or anything. You just need to know how to do basic Photoshop, how to add the text, and how to remove backgrounds, adding 1 or 2 layers behind the thingy. It's really simple. And then you can make $10 or $30 or $60. And once you get the gradings up, once you are more experienced, you can even work with certain YouTubers or fixed amount of video editor to get more client, or even have like a monthly retainer Number 9, which is also the last one, sell your content online. This one, I actually mentioned this before in my other video, my 14 income streams in 2021. You can watch that video here somewhere. I can never figure out like this side or that side. What you can do is that you could take photos and then sell on stock photo websites. There are so many places that you can sell stock photos. Alamy, Shutterstock, iStockphoto, Etsy, Getty Images, and there are other content you can sell as well. You can write articles for other blogs and then make money, become a writer. You can make sample packs. You can also sell drone footage, stock videos. So there you have it, 9 high-paying work-from-home jobs that you can do. I also include all the resources on my article in medium.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.